In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the software to create a custom payment page for a ClickBank product. Now, the reason you might want to do this, there are several of them. For instance, if a vendor has a form on his site and he's collecting email addresses, you need to check and make sure that he isn't stealing your commission. Now, most of them don't, but there are some unscrupulous people on there who put their own affiliate link in their email series. So they steal your commission. If you don't like the sales copy, that's another reason. You can create your own sales page and still go to the checkout and have your affiliate ID intact. Okay, so here's how it works. You put your affiliate ID in here. So game site. Okay, next you enter the ClickBank vendor ID. So let's go over to ClickBank and pick something. So off to the marketplace. Okay, and then let's go. It doesn't really matter which one for this demonstration, but let's say it's this one. Now, let me just move my browser window up a little bit here. If you put your mouse over top of the product, if you look in the bottom left corner of your screen right now, you'll see it says zzzzz.kensilver.hop.clickbank.net. Okay, so the vendor ID is what you see after the zzzzz dot. So you see Ken Silver in this case. Go to the next one here. This one says zzzzz dot zcode sys. Okay, so that's the vendor ID. So let's have a look at this. Now, if we roll down to the payment button, if we click on this, okay, and we come to the checkout here, and roll down, you'll see affiliate equals none. Okay, so I'm just showing you that we don't have a cookie set here. So we're going to put the affiliate ID or the vendor ID in the software now. So it's zcode sys. Click next. Okay, enter the ClickBank item number. Now, for all the ClickBank products you see at the front end on the ClickBank marketplace, it's always going to be 1. That's the main product in the ClickBank marketplace. However, people might be selling with a different number here. For instance, each payment link has its own identifier. So you can usually find that by putting your mouse over top of here, and you'll see 1.pay.clickbank.net usually, or 2.pay.clickbank.net on the product. Sometimes they hide them with a page in between, like what we're building. Okay, but if you're going for the marketplace, it's always going to be 1. So we leave that at 1. Now we click generate, and it's going to build a page for us. Okay, so I'm going to save it in a folder called CB test page. Okay, and it opens up a window for us, and here's what we have. We have order page and load. Now, this order page is what goes after your order button. So what you'll do is, if you're building your own page, which you will be, when you have a payment button on it, you will point to this, and this will be the page in between. Okay, so let me just create a quick sales page here to show you the process. Okay, so here's the sales page I'm going to create, and here's the order page and the load. We need this all in the same directory. Okay, so I'm going to open up Composer and just finish up my sales page. Composer is a web editor that you can download for free. Okay, so let's open it. Okay, so this is blank right now, so you'd go ahead and build your test page. I'm just going to put a couple things on it. Okay, so your headline. More text. Okay, and here's where our payment button would go. Now, just for what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to use this button. So I'm going to copy image location. So I'm just basically going to steal this button here. And then image and paste that in there. Okay, so this is basically what you're going to do. You create your own sales page, have a button on it. Now this button, what we want to do is do link. Then we want to link to the order page that we just created. Okay, now let's save this. All right, now let's go to our page and let's open it. Okay, so this is the sales page we just created. Now watch what happens when I click add to cart. You see that it says loading, and then it directs us directly to the checkout page. Now let's roll down. There is Game Site. That was the affiliate ID we put in there. It now has cookied our affiliate ID into this site. Okay, so we're now going to get commissions even though we never hit the sales page. So this is a good way to make sure that any leads you produce ends up in your autoresponder. Now just to prove that it actually cookied it, I'm going to go back. I'm going to close the browser and reopen it. Okay, I'm going to paste in the sales page URL. Okay, so you see here it says hop equals 0. Okay, now let's go down to the checkout. Click the button. Okay, and when we roll down, there is our affiliate ID. Okay, so that just proves to you that we did get cookied. All right, so that's how easy it is to use the software to create your own payment page to make sure that you get cookied even though you never hit the vendor sales page.